Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download files from OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and folders in the cloud. After you sign in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes. Your browser will then automatically redirect you to your OneDrive dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can view, manage, and organize all your files stored in OneDrive. Now, from your OneDrive dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see several options listed there for navigating through your storage. Look for and click on My Files. This section displays all the files and folders you've uploaded or created in your OneDrive account, making it easy to locate exactly what you need. Once you're in the My Files section, you'll see your entire file list displayed on the screen. Browse through your files and locate the one you want to download. When you find it, click on the small check mark next to the file name to select it. It's worth noting that you can select multiple files at once if you need to download several items together. Just keep clicking the check marks next to each file you want to include in your download. After you've selected your file or files, take a look at the top part of your screen above the file list. You'll notice an action menu has appeared with several options available. This menu gives you quick access to various file management tools. Look for the download button in this menu and click on it. OneDrive will immediately begin processing your request and the file will automatically start downloading to your computer's default download location, usually your downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your files from OneDrive to your computer, giving you offline access whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.